the impression that this one may create in the minds of people, and they say, we are president in Mr.
We are visual artists.
Yes. So, no, more prominent organ, and because Ibrahim Muhammad
is a diplomat.
Yes, and see, so they are a diplomat. Now, how come? I'm just here by saying, I don't support brutality in uniform.
Right.
Say, your community being near, so be a there. See Janima police. Na yanka si atuashe no so abone kuno. Me support is animal.
Right.
I believe say baby in the world that we find ourselves. I say ma kwan nem ra because sometimes we make mistakes.
Yeah.
You come here you kun kofu bia na nyese ke kun.
Sure.
Bu ha na okọ jogging. Yes, I find say konfo ni abone kuno. Okay, the case of Major Mahama. And man be got to see no so afei dey we eche hu sem bebre.
Yeah.
Enti brutality in any form no should be avoided.
Yeah.
But I hear me nwanwa said the police force no. As a idea, a bit or
show uniform now.
Or show uniform no about assume in the whole glare of the public. Near to 2 years, who call a police stations and ranchi near Bobby assume near Bobby fit. In this day and age, I'm Mobia.
Yeah.
Now, I did say a Ghana police service, and say, and the video in the recording, it has become part of our global world.
Yeah.
Share. The course for America eyes for chinko for but so be no record
yeah,
because they know they are doing their public job. And I did back question and say so the mousika and our resources but yep by juma yet to the public.
Yeah.
It is a public need now honors or record who he has over to
and they do it. Say the police when we say well yeah DB and now take recording say there be breach privacy and all those things. But elsewhere yeah, may attack you say because he knows he's doing the right thing. It is a video a kokra
precisely.
The only thing is you state the reason for the entire opposite where they will take it that day. You are done and go.
Yes, and in fact, we share more than police in Krana. There are body cameras all over. It record because you want to have first class information about what is going on.
And there are CCTV cameras around all over those things.
And now, that very faithful day. Sebe. In your own camofo, I hear a common to crying over about 30 days. Akobom payaji o mahome. Omoko celebrate. That is the very day omoko yesa assorting. On eat prayer. Why? It is you Ibrahim Muhammad tade ko no sheno kwa no. Mom signal bi se bi asabi you ofi mox neba nti ese wonto mboase ana. Ma betwa kwam. Ma be cross you. And oyi video oyi ne camera wa sha so recorded the event that is going on. And one no. Yes, chinchina say ma oma password. No mutimi a delete video na wa recording. That is what brought the assault. But you see, it is becoming quite common under this government and under this particular IGF.
Because I was shocked to see a short video being about 10 seconds video, which we saw the police officers rather in front of Ibrahim Muhammad bus, preventing the driver from moving. And so the information about and said na mob person more attack bus no rather, which the police actually intervened. That is and Barusha, there is no mob there with that 10 seconds video. No, so Omokoya and Sana sad no police for no there. But what we saw, there wasn't any mob and now more as Ibrahim Mama I can't.
BBC is here a lot of narrations coming.
Serious.
A lot of narrations coming.
Yeah.
The immediate HM said what happened was that the police were on their way somewhere. And they be on the car no vehicle cross you and they felt say we cross you.
And we have the authority.
Yes, and I wish I said some more BB. And a branch in so phone so or recording. And I see na make say IGP we. And near my coswa said you police for name be at Timemufo na so protecting a friend say protecting the people no. And yet to my bill. See and what they are doing is virtually protecting the regime. Say abampa ni na otu kwan bi minister bi na ekoba bi na say e mano motorcade near protecting the ande beye. But Timemufo na say you tua taxes near the running the republic no. I say ye mumu omo fa ye hu bio. And a brosa. You recall what happened at Ablikmanov by elections. Yes, Gyasi ato abana the who answer police officer penimu. Journalist be Mr. Fence Kwabena da kwamenim so kaya Kwabena jekum banahene from GH1. Asutropa ye born pa. What happened to that story? Omo investigations they could see anything. We didn't hear anything about it. Ya bo abranti ama omfam ho de. Okay they see to yema me hawa kumsin. During that by elections. and Mantia Bia na omu claim so omu national security operatives. Ekoto share no so ebri mu ni prano. What happened to that story? Ewi said omu court na e fine home. And then the other 2 years afi a day international embarrassment is such a person of high repute. Matekwa say or lecture because I were Oxford and Cambridge, but because of their tunes, untiminko. Yes, that's what I was told. Say come lecture be Oxford, no come lecture be Cambridge, no say call Helsinki, come some public lecture be. Yes, but because you born a prana, say you yes in a secret too. Nensebu, nemfinyina, yabubu nemfinyina.
Yeah, and that screen is until you say be a woman who the can you can come and watch it. Brown is seeing Mujan in black and white. And this is where now at the hospital. No, this is Ibrahim Mama, virtual artist, no, diplomat, no, on that one. Twice a month.
The Ghana Police Service, a service to the people. Timamu from women protect you. Yes, some nasa 2 years. It is the police that we run to. Now, police na police nankasa police ankasa eboa. What would then happen? And American, they got to buy election. The very first violent event you see was a policeman or obo journalist. Why?
Serious.
Yeah, they also even against their political opponents, those in the New Patriotic Party. About Nyekokasa, itia the Archibald. What happened? Yeah, China says you confrontation mobile. What did a would be Republican? You who say you didn't back court or call you did hank of a goodness. I didn't share black Mary. As if say he's a hardened criminal. Why? Because he spoke against the IGP. Ain't he mesre? And near my concern, the security of the republic, and my encouragement in the police service because you Timemini be in the phone so record it keke. Now you're babuna to the same. You're babuna bunin, you're babuna bunin sadia, and then I call ya nasi by. It's at the Swedish number the Inspector General of Police. There should be a conclusive investigation about this thing. And there should be a directive. I know it's a police, Uber policeman, there's a department, we are more standards in it, or more code of ethics in it, the police standard boss. Yes, something of a sort. There should be a thorough investigation because you need
professional standards bureau.
What happened at Public Manov, who police officer and so Basumono, and then only they see. That was it. The TNC interdictino and I'm as to what happened next, we were not told. They told Yamame how as to what happened next, we were not told. But Sunday Americans were a breeze impudence. After Obi 1 year, Nasabu, Obi police uniform, or be confront to be being a papa wanting. And me, I will not support that. But what I say, it's a mystery. If events like this happen, police service must do a thorough investigations. The outcome of it must be made public. Who says Ibrahim Mahama yakoto share no subu ne sen abu ne mfe no police ni asomesi na ye na ya then to me and then the uniform FNC agent ni su FNC my so kofi.
The others calling crazy muna those who have been assaulted in the past. Omu nyina so mfa omo so asemomra because I think the police management issue Ibrahim Mahama there's about a day ago and now omo 80 and semono. And what people are saying is Nkiyema almost why assault to in the past, to present their cases. Now the magnitude of this brutality. And I think Senke a good call because the Banamu say, within a space of 3 years, Nipa say ye kase victims are akumuni be 30, 40, then this is too much. You can measure it. But in this one instant, a baby design, say be create a diplomat. Ibianka, we are hearing a different story altogether.
Of course. It's a good call.
Yeah.
And it's a very good call.
Yeah.
Nipa people police for the Omonia young Mekan Waponting.
Yeah.
At their stations, see a man say be and I say all for an arrest.
Yeah.
And never be because of young Kai, the sea was spenters, man, Kubu Magdan. I'm sure Sabia may not be police per se, but it's still the security forces, the national security. They see a brand to be Nujan baby, a journalist, Carlos Colanius, and one Casa Munipa. Eddie come across Sina, no say on Casa.
Century.
Nymphum swearny. Nymphum so ye live on video. Now, so the knee military belt here, said you hooks here. When you see the what comes with military uniform and accoutrement.
Yeah.
Nay, the goon so born a chip born assume. Recorded on video. Why? Timem for your bonny on my own. Nipanijina home on your bonny BIU. He has not impeded them, but journalists and say, oh, no, honor, I didn't see into the microphone echo, Shiana, no, why they what happened. That was all. In fact, gentleman we cry of Fijo FM was told it's a police force action. They say, come with the Nekoi. HNM so a journalist or omoyena. So there are series of events SCC are registered police brutality across the republic.
Right.
And police service.
Sure.
And when it happens like that, police for not as protectors but as enemies and as adversaries.
Yeah.
But what you say?
Sure.
You see the era where policing has become so brutal. That you are say about soon. That you are say hang you. Yes, so what I did now or say na ba ko sense ho. You do police cells na mantie pie money mu nyina ho ya bobo masum no. I think that should end. But them you say when you are enforcing the law, the best thing for you to do is arrest the person. Would you say be or impede more progress? Would you say be or impede more investigations? Would you say be or you're recording and any council record there? Funny call police station. Control any masem. I could pass a moving here say within local court. Funny court.
All right.
But says you ubono abonting now utune say now born and fit now bubu ne saying na the mo baby.
Okay.
It must say the RGP must have a conclusive discussion on this one.
Okay.
And yes say be abeya wakohia na 91. And I said all kind of. And yes akwa Ibrahim Mahama or diplomat said he's globally known tina you take attention special attention on him.
Yeah.
All these series of events SCC are damping the people's spirit as far as our policing service is concerned must be investigated. Okay. Now results in Nimra na intimi ko yenim.
Okay. Ashanti First. Any gold ball renovation, no? Ashanti First, no. The accusations around say as a paint, no. Omuye ne fefe ne nyamofe monkrof will be akose no. How true is it?
Let me begin by saying it has become obvious say 25 million here the kwasha buy one so say Jankoma the Nanado government in time no director for
your man is
25 million painting. It is not true. It has been established
factually. Yeah, sure.
Number two, to say this painting thing is not novel. Sebe na NDC for copy. The first time it became obvious say Abembia Banayem beautify Accra with painting was done by a and Akufado.
But in Ashanti
region. Send me establishment cars my children. We did that to Kwashi, we did that at Akwaje. It's a novel.
Oh yeah.
And a creation of the Ashanti regional minister. An idea.
Okay.
Yeah. And who's effect and all copy of the region that is to be established.
Okay.
And Unia Akokwa. Yeah, better I mean you question say, as a more as antimemo and your Kofu market, Asuka market, then the market. Yeah, buy you be resuscitate agro good. Agro good not it's a pound some over 6,000 people directly and your Jumo on see any. Yeah, buy ye. I be see Kofu market Ofuri hospital. You be see Tapa hospital, you be see the hospital, you be see Kokobe hospital, you be see Asokoyman hospital, you be see Dobonso, Sabronumu, and Trade hospitals. You see any. Yeah, buy ya. You be see one district, one factory, sir. And then Okobote not Asqua Ewo. Ya buy na Dako farm say go ya resuscitate ya amma juma and Dako farm is supplying KFC Ghana 100,000 beds in a month. You see any. Yeah, buy ya. Uko KSTS sir. You see 18 unit classroom blocks. Yes, Uko Bosonche girls sir. You see 11 unit classroom block. Uko Pempa. You see 18 unit classroom block. Uko Tepa secondary school. You see 12 unit classroom block. Uko Kumaka. You see 400 bed dormitory. You see any. But you see a bit painty as quite interchange. It's novel. Yani eja santimai mwako hine ebon homodi. We don't have any problem. Maybe I will not argue in any direction. The mechanic say asantimai jidi say yempe free senior school. Yempe se angle de gu ye se bi open so na me bodi na mapagya mu. Ebe complain ye na agro is vibrant nipa 6,000 directly. In fact, we share the whole value chain in downstream businesses now. Over 8,000 businesses are connected to that business. Omanya juma sebio ne omo sa come on no masa come on no. Yes, here near Ashanti region. Nene ya be painting the whole Ashanti mine, including our journalists, including our media house to the actual me share video be a brand we comedian no ye movie very simple. Akwati akwati ya no de ku ajako awayo si akogina ho ya ba bia ba wonya ehwe ne niema. I believe you say maybe do Asantema would appreciate genuinely the kind of things that we read. But the koye sad any there media I don't support crime.
Okay.
We believe say it's possible. I'm not saying that is the case. Yeah. I'm making the insinuation that anybody can at all can do it for propaganda sake.
Yeah, of course.
But what I say, it can be said nipa no he has no party affiliations. Okay, my day train be by new brilliant train BBC kwan so na ye adwuma nipa boni phobi ekoye ma edire train no. Enti nipa boni phobi bet my bibia. There shouldn't be police. This is a crime. Enti that place too there are several CCTV cameras all over. And to the police are near Mohono, police for Enshim, na Emra any but may Viana make us say. There are things that the New Patriotic Party did in the region and ne abua santimine. And the paramount one among them is Anglo. Yes, see several hospitals across the region. Yes, see several educational facilities across the region. The free senior school that we implemented, over 1.2 million was in that Ashanti because the number of schools be brave. Yes, here you be Ashanti first, and then you be bonum, and then you be painty, and no need development as Santiman pa. A German Santiman so Omoankasa and Yahuasem. Now, gold board.
I can't just a minute. But
gold body did then as a commission. Mr. Daddy to a choice, Minnesota Bas, and Menka was 70 years old.
The time when the amount 15.
Gold board.
The chair on the day. Just a minute. Remember one account 2 minutes.
Yes, see. And somehow Becca. But when I say bulls are trapped by their own horn.
Okay.
Bulls are trapped by their horn. And somehow Becca, and no ne betray ni peso. Yeah, here's a major and finished stand obe. What they said when they were in opposition. Any diomu ye or bem. These are two individuals that virtually all of them spoke against soul sourcing or restrictive tendering. You can say where gold board a contract near the Standobe company was not so bad, it was restrictive tendering. It's a form of restriction. Yeah, BM it was not competitive. And your time Ghana
but that restrictive is quite, if you look at the dynamics,
yes,
it's quite much flexible,
more broader than a
flexible than
that is why I'm saying it was not competitive bidding. Akokwa say what company be ama kwan say wo akokwa fa de betum. Ya ma Andy kwan so fani de metum. Ya ma Archibald kwan so fani de metum. Enipa kro bi na nipa ne tena ho gold boss you. Sameja fitra na office choose say we anyway kwame atua Odie okay be mu na obenye fa odie bra and the buy the ma the HR manager of government, the deputy CEO of the deputy chief of staff of this administration.
So the agency of Eduma no yeti gold board na nurse wo nyam fidie ntem ebinum kra start Eduma wo ni laptop wo de ye Eduma and they were there idle.
I don't have any problem, but they make can say these are individuals that they spoke against friends so they spoke against restrictive tendering. Omo de na they believing in say you remember kwai no be abe competitive say they be a bon kwa bet mine aba form.
That's a fact.
Yentie de samejamfi onu ankasa wo onu samejamfi nankasa e kan about contract etisa on the 7th of August 2024 the movement of then series the movement of truth series this is what he says. The use of soul sourcing by this government is in sharp contrast to the claim they made whilst in opposition. We have seen a number of overpriced sole source contracts awarded to relatives and friends.
Okay,
this is a major position. Right. Now, so catch yourself. Yeah, maybe just about 30 seconds. Catch yourself. Okoto television back on 85-inch. Okoto no billion sir 8 and the 400 million beka hwa. TV ben ani bought sir. Catch yourself. Okoto nkunya begu office million sir miensa billion sir 30. Not sabio nkunya ben sir nkunya no transfer do cost na. So I think that what they ought to have done was to open up. Say the company be a war that opportunity and that experience in that arena no BDB say the be born because this is what they believed in. Standobe believed in this, Samejafi believed in this. In fact, President Mahama believed in this. In fact, share the NDC's manifesto. It was written clearly in their manifesto. So mobile sourcing will be rare or a thing of the past. What happened? And then Abuja Ministry of Rules ya de nika so sabisiwa ye twegu sa enti de omo kan ye ani de omo ye no ebobra and that is why Ghanaians are questioning them.
All right, thank you very much. Mamen kwechia ho to respond to that because